try to trim it.
Can I help you?
Oh, hi, Bernadette. I didn't know you were home.
Apparently.
I hope you don't mind. I called the blackberry abatement specialist.
The blackberry vines are coming under the wall.
It's in my raised vegetable beds, my worm bins.
It's Tom.
Bernadette Fox. No card.
Morning, Lizzie.
Hey, Mom.
Bernadette Fox was simply the most exciting thing in the world of architecture 20 years ago.
Well, no one told me about her.
I think what happened to my mom is that she got so focused on her family, she forgot about herself.
Honey, are you getting enough sleep?
Sleep? What's that?
So from what you're saying, she ran over her mother at school.
Bernadette!
Incoming. What do we do?
Punch it.
And then she created an environment which destroyed a neighbor's home.
Your hillside just slid into my home. My yard, my Japanese maples, the bird bath is practically in my living room.
It's too late to say you're
People like you must create. If you don't, you become a menace to society.
How would I know? Why should I care?
Something unexpected has come up.
Just thinking about it's got my heart racing.
Please don't bother trying to find her.
I have concocted a plan.
Bernadette!
She's not there. Lost the sky so tall.
You'll never guess what happened. She disappeared. Bernadette jumped out a window.
There's one answer to all of your problems. Get your ass back to work.
A huge project has come up that will require me to go to Antarctica.
It's twice the challenge anyone ever imagines, with long stretches without sleep and exercise.
Sounds like I've been in training for this for the last 20 years. I have this one shot to launch my second act. So step aside, because I am about to kick the hell out of life.
World domination ain't pretty.
Rise and shine. Breakfast is ready in 10 minutes. And don't make me come back up there. This is our town. It's a close-knit community, the kind of place where everyone knows everyone.
Hi, Miss J.
Hey, how are you girls? And we're always there for each other.
Nice sermon, Pastor.
What do you guys have on for the rest of the day?
Well, John has a basketball game.
Yeah, I've seen this guy hoop it up around here. This kid is so lit.
Text your mom tomorrow and tell her when and where to pick you up. And, don't do anything stupid.
Love you guys.
Boys, get off the ice!
We're training for the Olympics, sir.
Cindy.
He's been underwater for more than 15 minutes. It's gonna be a recovery, not a rescue. I got something.
We got him!
We've done everything medically possible. There's nothing more we can do.
No. Please, God, send your Holy Spirit to save my son.
A 14-year-old St. Charles boy who spent 15 minutes trapped underwater is continuing to fight for his life.
I don't believe John will survive the night.
You don't know my son. He is a fighter. So I need you to be the best for John, and you just let God do the rest. You are my pride and joy. I can't wait to see you shoot those baskets and run up and down the court again.
The Smith family asked for one thing. Please pray for John.
In the water that day, I was ready to give up, but then I hear this voice telling me, go back. Either I'm nuts,
Or God's talking to you.
but I don't believe in God.
I believe it, but maybe that only goes so far with something like this.
I'm your pastor. I'm supposed to walk alongside you for as long as it takes.
Did you see the Facebook page? It's gone viral.
Call me.
I hope he's gonna be okay.
We're not gonna get through this alone. Whatever you have for me, for Brian, for John,